What's happening, YouTube? Sorry for the delay. Time to put in the lights. Let's get started. All right, now that we got the hood popped, we're gonna come over here to these two tabs, pull them up, pull this side up. You'll know when they've been released because the light bulb will pop out. Let me go ahead and get this out and I'll show you the next step. All right, now that we got the headlight out, as you can see, I already have LEDs in the truck, but the LEDs that I got from Auxito are upgraded. They are brighter and more stable. Give me 1 second to put these in and I'll turn you right back on. All right, gang, want to show you a little bit of a difference between the old light bulb, which has a ballast or a controller that's outside of the light that you have to try to figure out where to put it where it's not in the way. And then these are the Auxitos. They're all in one, just like a standard light bulb that you would buy in an incandescent from like an AutoZone or an O'Reilly's. So this was a great headlight. They lasted me a very long time, but I like the fact that this is all in one. I don't have a wire running around and I don't have this ballast to contend with. Let me go ahead and put this in. I just want to give you a quick look at the difference between the two bulbs. Also, one other thing, with the old light bulbs, I had to cut the lock that holds the light bulb in to go around the fan and this wire. With the Auxitos, I don't have to do that. They simply plug in. Give me 1 second here to get this. They simply plug into the back of the unit. Make sure you have it to where it's facing up. They plug into the back of the unit. And the lock goes right over the top of it to where you don't have to cut it. Always make sure that this point is facing up in the headlight, so when you look in the inside, if you can see it, it's facing up. You never want your light to be facing sideways. You want it to be facing straight up and down. In order to ensure you do that, make sure that that point is facing up. Now it's as simple as remaking your connections and sliding your light back in place. Let me go ahead and get that in. Now that your light is back in, you come back up to the top, you push your tabs back down, and then you go ahead and you test the light to make sure that it's working. All right, as you can see, headlight is working great. Don't know if you can really notice the difference in light output, but there is definitely a difference. The Auxito is much whiter, much brighter than my old headlights. All right, let me get this other side done and I'll turn you back on. All right, family, all done. Quick and easy, only takes about, without recording, maybe 10 minutes. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna close everything back up and we're gonna give you guys a walk around of the truck real time. All right, guys, just in case you didn't know, Auxito also sells the wedge bulbs that you need for like your tag lights, your running board lights, your overhead lights, your lights in the back here. So if you want to upgrade the inside lights to LED as well, Auxito got you covered with these as well. Give them a look. They're going to have everything you need. All right, now we're going to get on to starting the truck. I figure we'll start the truck. For you guys that said you wanted to see the truck run or hear the truck run, we're going to go ahead and start it up. Here's a tour. As you can see, I got the lights that go around up here at the top. I got the radio with the surround that I custom made that I am going to redo because I do not like it. I got the custom USB port to where I can put in music, movies, whatever it is that I want to watch, that I can watch through the radio. It goes all the way up and into the armrest. I also put it up and around the console at the top. And excuse the truck, it does need to be cleaned, which I will get to here a little later on. Also, information on the radio for you guys. The radio, if you turn on your Wi-Fi hotspot or you're in an area that gets free Wi-Fi, you can get access to YouTube and different other applications that you can use where you can watch movies, stream music, whatever it is you want to do. Of course, I put my own custom screensaver on, which is a picture of the truck. So yeah, it's a nice radio. It does a lot of things that the modern cars will do, like navigation. So if you wanted to have it to where you can navigate from one location to the next, yes, you can go ahead and log in your navigation and it'll populate a map and it'll give you directions to where you want to go. It also will sync with your phone to where if you have Bluetooth and you want to go ahead and make a phone call, play music through your phone, or any of that, you can actually do that. And then basic AM FM, of course, I'm not going to play that because I do not want to be copyrighted. And then again, like I said, if you wanted to go into your movies that's on your flash stick, you can go ahead and do that as well. So great little radio, very inexpensive, does what I need it to do. When I'm on lunch break and just want to sit back, eat lunch and enjoy a movie or a YouTube program, it is definitely the place you want to be. All right, now let's go out to the outside of the truck. And for those of you that think the truck is got flawless paint and all of that, it really does not have flawless paint. It's got some dents, it's got some scratches. Up at the top, the clear coat is peeling. That's why I said I wanted to go ahead and get it painted. So I haven't had a chance to do that. I do have the running boards on it. It is sitting stock height. I do have new shocks all the way around the vehicle. I put springs in the back to get rid of the old air suspension because it's just not reliable. The chrome door handles that are here, of course I put those on. I put the rain guards on. I put the mirror caps on. The drilled and slotted rotors. The air intake was done. Throttle body spacer, I did that as well. And then all of the underglow and all of those things that you really can't see. Again, an Auxito light under the hood to be bright. That's been in there for almost 2 years, no problems. A couple of paint chips here, there. The grill, I really need to go ahead and repaint that. Of course, the custom 4 emblem, that's black during the day and at night it lights up. There's a small dent here, but that came with the fender when I replaced it. Like I said, it's not in terrible shape. It's in pretty decent shape. the little dent that's right here that I started pulling out but got lazy, didn't finish it. Of course, you see the paint scrapes that are here that I'm going to get the whole truck repainted anyway, so really don't kind of care about it. Try to do this without showing you guys my tag. I've got custom LED tail lights. Of course, it's got dual exhaust. And yes, I do tow with my truck. And I tow quite often. All right, let me try to pull this out and let me see if I can't get some rolling footage for you guys. All right, one more walk around since we're in the parking lot so y'all can get a chance to look at it. And yes, I know it is dirty. I do need to clean it. Well, we working on it, y'all. We working on it. For those of y'all that wanted rolling footage, best I can do. Hopefully that does it for you guys. That's rolling footage of the truck.